Alright, so you need to pause the video and try to follow the directions by labeling the parts of speech in bold. We're going to double underline the dependent clauses, just underlining the independent clauses one time, and also write what type of sentence it is. So go ahead and pause the video and then try it out on a piece of paper, and then come back to the video and see the answers. I'm going to start right now. Okay, so you should have already wrote out all the answers, what you think. Check your paper here. We're going to start with the word but. It's a fanboy, which is a coordinating conjunction. Alright, we know if you have a coordinating conjunction, it's going to connect two independent clauses. So you should have these two independent clauses or simple sentences underlined. That's coordinating conjunction is going to make a compound sentence. And then if we look at the rest of our parts of speech, we should know went is a verb, remain is a verb. Alright, so moving on to the next sentence, we see what we call a subordinating conjunction, but easier said, we're going to call it a dependent word. I'm going to write subordinating conjunction, either one. It'd be nice if you would know this. It's a little sophisticated and hard. I understand that, but maybe if you think of it as a dependent word, because a dependent word, if you look at the rest, should be double underlined because it starts a dependent clause, a clause that cannot stand by itself. And it needs to be joined then by an independent clause. And if we start with a dependent clause, such as after the large tornado hit, then we're going to have a comma in between the two clauses. My house was completely destroyed. Moving on to the next, we have my. We should have a pronoun here. Takes place of a noun. Completely. How was it destroyed? Well, it was completely destroyed. It modifies a verb, so it's an adverb, and the sentence is complex because it has one independent and one dependent clause. So you have a compound and a complex. Example there. Next sentence. Well, because she left the play early, she missed the surprise ending. So we have the same thing here as we had there. We have a subordinating conjunction, dependent word. Alright, it means if I just said she left the play early, that would be independent. But since I have because at the beginning, alright, that makes it dependent. So it's a dependent clause. So it's double underlined. And she missed the surprise ending is independent because it's needed to make a complete sentence. Play is actually, if you were saying playing baseball or something like that, it could be a verb, but actually is a noun. So it's a thing. She left the play. This is actually a pronoun, took place of a noun. Surprise ending is used as an adjective. It's describing what the ending was. Surprise. Tanya was invited to a birthday party, so she wants to buy a new outfit. Well, we have so, which is a coordinating conjunction, which is a fanboy. We already said that coordinating conjunctions connect only two types of clauses, and that is independent. So we know the rest of it's independent. It has a comma before it. So we know that's a compound sentence, just like the one up before it. Alright, what type of party was it? It was a birthday party. So she uses an adjective because it describes party, which is a noun. She wants to buy a new outfit. What type of outfit? A new outfit. It's an adjective. Hopefully you can do this tomorrow on your test, your quiz. You can point these out. They'll all be multiple choice. Maybe just a few typing, but nothing too severe. Good luck.